If you're busy, tired, and already working hard, this video is for you. AI isn't about replacing your job. It isn't about learning complicated tech. It's about reducing effort, saving time, and helping you present what you already do better. Today, I'm going to share 7 calm, practical ways to use AI to improve your career. You don't need to do everything. You can use one habit a day. No pressure, no tech background needed. Let's start with one most people need first. If your CV feels outdated, messy, or hard to word, AI can help you rewrite it calmly and clearly. You paste your current CV in and ask something like, rewrite this CV to sound clearer, professional, and confident for someone applying for promotion. You're still in control. You edit it, you approve it. This is especially helpful if you struggle with wording, tend to undersell yourself, or haven't updated your CV in years. If you don't have a CV at all, don't ask AI to write one from scratch. As a hiring manager, that's easy to spot. Instead, draft something basic first, even bullet points. That way, it's personal to you. You're not cheating, you're clarifying. Next, let's talk about emails. How many emails do you rewrite 5 times and then still worry about it? AI can review important emails before you send them. You can ask things like, make this more professional but still warm, reduce conflict, make this clearer and softer. This is especially useful for managers, people returning to work, or anyone who just feels a bit anxious about the tone. Think of AI as a calm, confidential second pair of eyes. Now, promotion. Promotion doesn't usually fail because of ability. It fails because people don't plan or people don't know how to articulate readiness. AI can help you map what your next role needs, identify gaps you can quietly work on, and practice how to talk about your impact. So, for example, you can ask AI, I'm currently in role A, I want to move into role B. Help me identify 5 areas I should strengthen over the next 6 months. You can even ask AI to act like a career coach if you want. Another powerful use of AI is turning experience into achievements. Many people do senior level work but describe it as admin. AI helps you reframe language from I supported to I led, improved, delivered, reduced, strengthened. This is especially helpful for women, carers, people in people-focused roles, and anyone who minimizes their impact. This isn't about exaggerating, it's about reframing what you already do. Interview preparation is another area where AI can help without stress. Interview prep doesn't need to be intense. You can paste the job description into AI and ask it to generate likely interview questions, help you structure answers, and practice calmly at your own pace in advance. You might ask, give me calm, structured answers for a competency-based interview for this role. No cramming, no pressure, just familiarity. AI is also excellent for reducing mental load at work. It can summarize notes, organize thoughts, and turn messy ideas into cluster lists. This is especially helpful if you're tired, overwhelmed, or neurodivergent. You can brain dump and say, organize this into a clear action list for me. This isn't about working harder, it's about thinking less. Finally, let's talk about confidence. Career confidence doesn't come from pushing harder, it comes from sounding clearer, planning better, and communicating calmly. AI can support that quietly. When you stop second guessing every email, CV line, or decision, confidence follows. And confidence is often what actually leads to progression. If you want to try this gently, here's a simple 1-month calm career plan to ask AI. So ask AI, help me create a simple, realistic career action plan for the next month. I want to improve my confidence without burnout. Choose just 3 small actions, like updating one section of your CV, reviewing emails before sending, or practicing one interview answer. Keep it to 10 or 15 minutes at a time. Tell AI your real constraints. For example, I'm busy, low on energy, I need to fit this around work or family life, or both, and set a review point. So ask AI at the end of the month, help me review what worked and what to adjust. This isn't about becoming more productive, it's about becoming more settled in your work. Calm clarity builds confidence, and confidence changes how you show up. If this felt helpful, I'm breaking each one of these into short, calm, daily habits, 1 per day. You don't need to do everything all at once, just one calm improvement at a time. This is TechMadeCalm, helping busy adults use tech without overwhelm.